Yes, this observation is correct, Ishwar. We need to be alert from henceforth when it comes to meeting Madan for exam papers matter. This may land us in trouble someday. We need to meet him at secret place, maybe after campus hours, to make it safe from here. We need to keep one thing in mind. There is no second chance when it comes to matter of Madan. If we three get caught in our things, then the final output would be very serious, Ishwar. We would get rusticated and Madan would lose his job, and we both would be responsible for it in big ways. We haven't thought about it earlier, Ishwar, but if things get serious, this may come to reality. Then, then Shahid, shall we stop to do this from henceforth? I am not saying that, Ishwar. I am saying we need to remain alert from it. Do not get caught ever. We need to think about Madan's family if he loses his job just because of us. I am saying by keeping all these after effects in mind, we have to remain so much alert at it and shall maintain utmost secrecy in it. This way only we could be able to do our things properly. Otherwise all hell would break loose. Hmm, I agree, Shahid. We need to maintain that part thoroughly and meticulously. Otherwise, all things would get hold of our necks, and we can't come out of it once we get stained. You're right, Shahid. We need to think about Madan too. Till now, we all saw it by humorous angles only, but now we need to focus on all serious business related to it. It is not possible to come out clean if we all three get caught at it, Shahid. अरे यार ईश्वर, फिर से सेंटी हो गया यार तू। अरे भाई, ये बातें तो कॉलेज लाइफ में होती ही रहती है यार। हम स्टूडेंट्स अगर इतनी बदमाशी ना करें तो और कौन करेगा? अय्यर सर, वो तो बेचारा चींटी को भी मारने से डरे। वो क्या ऐसे कांड करेगा भाई? या फिर पता नहीं, वक्त के साथ साथ अय्यर भी बदल गया होगा। ऐसा भी हुआ हो कि अय्यर शायद अवधू इतना कमीना होता हो उसके कॉलेज लाइफ में। पता नहीं यार, जितना भी सोचे हंस हंस के पागल होने होता है। हाँ यार, ये जो सभी लोग जो अभी इतने सोबर लग रहे हैं, वो भी तो अपने अपने कॉलेज लाइफ में बदमाशियाँ करते ही होंगे। औरों का तो पता नहीं, लेकिन ये अय्यर और मिश्रा ने तो ज़रूर बहुत सारी बदमाशियाँ की होगी अपने कॉलेज लाइफ में। दोनों के चेहरे देखकर ही लगता है कि बहुत सारे कांड किए होंगे इन दोनों ने, और सज़ा भी पाई होगी, वो भी तगड़ी वाली। सच में यार। हाँ यार ईश्वर, मिश्रा और अय्यर दोनों कैसे लगते होंगे पनिशमेंट लेते वक्त। क्या चेहरा होता होगा उन दोनों का। सच में ईश्वर, हंस हंस के पागल हो गए यार हम लोग, सही में। हाँ यार, अब तो हंसा भी नहीं जा रहा। सोचता हूँ कल मिलूँ या ना मिलूँ मदन को। उसने कहा था कि आज वो सब देख लेगा और कल बताएगा हमें। पता नहीं कल उसे मिलना है भी या नहीं। कहीं फंस गए तो बुरा होगा शायद। ऐसा नहीं यार ईश्वर, जैसा हम दोनों ने सोचा, हमें सिर्फ सेफ्टी मेंटेन करनी है इस बारे में। हम कल मिलेंगे मदन को और कैंपस से बाहर मिलेंगे। अगर नहीं तो कैंपस में ही किसी दूसरी शांत जगह पर, जहाँ हमारी बातों को कोई सुन ना सके और हमारा काम भी हो इन सब में। हमें ज़रूर मदन से मिलना होगा कल। कुछ नहीं होगा, अगर मदन को कुछ मिला तो ज़रूर हमसे कुछ शेयर करेगा, और हमें ये मौका डर कर खोने नहीं देना है ईश्वर। लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपन्स अहेड। आई नो मदन, ही इज़ ऑल्सो shrewd like us and won't let happen anything wrong to all of us. So he too would remain alert. ओके ईश्वर, चल अब घर चलते हैं। आज के लिए बस इतना ही, कल देखेंगे ये सब। चल अभी। Hello Srinivas. Remember me? Vivian here. Vivian Lobo. Oh, hello, sir. How can I forget you, sir? How's you? Long time now. Yes, Srinivas, long time indeed. Hope you are fine, lad. Yes, sir, I am all fine. How's you, sir? I am doing great in college studies. Yeah, I am all fine too. And good to hear you are doing good in college studies. I am truly glad to hear this, Srinivas. Keep it up. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. It is all because of you, sir. Truly. अरे श्रीनिवास, मुझसे ये सब कहा। ये तो भाई तुम डिज़र्व कर रहे थे, इसलिए तो तुम अब पूरे कॉलेज में फेमस हो। I've heard that you have received one award in cricket matches at ACCS campus, and also you are selected for upcoming Masters Quiz this year. Yes, sir. By God's grace and your help, I've been able to achieve some kind of success in campus and enjoying every bit of it, sir. Truly, what an atmosphere over here. Lot to learn and lot to grow as a skillful individual. It was great to come over here for my studies. Thanks to you, sir. It is all because of you. Are Srinivas, you are doing great in studies. And what I want other than that, lad? I am truly satisfied that you have found out right path for yourself. Simply great. Yes, sir. I hope I have been able to fulfill all of your expectations from my end. Hope I made your decision right. It is true that Srinivas, that you proved my decision very right when it comes to taking you under the wings of ACCS. But Srinivas, to be honest with you, I have never kept any kind of expectations from you. Honestly, the way I found you in critical situation and the way you were fighting it along with your mother single-handedly, I truly had no expectations from you. Instead, I wanted to see you happy in life, fulfilled and satisfied, away from all harsh burdens of life, Srinivas, and you proved me right in it. Great to hear your happy voice and change conditions from what I saw in that lost boy the other day. You have made it truly on your capabilities, and that is what I presumed for you from the beginning, Srinivas. And you have proved me right, and more than that, you have made a gold of your life by walking on correct path now. Yes, I have shown you the way, but all credit goes to you to choose that right path and run towards your dreams of happiness. Yes, sir. I'm mighty pleased to see you happy in this way, sir. My life is fulfilled by hearing your happy voice. Sir, we need an ideal person like you in society to show right path to disillusioned kids in life. You simply changed my attitude by putting me in right camp. My positivity truly took charge of every aspect of creativity over here, and that made me determined to go ahead to do good for me and for my society. Yes, Srinivas, you understood it in right way, lad. After fulfilling all setbacks with all success, you should give it back to society to help needy people in their dreams and to get their needs done with time. You need to keep this in mind very well, Srinivas. After some time, our own life doesn't remain of ours. It is totally get dedicated to rest all disillusioned people around us. We need to live for them, and after some time, show them the right path in life, Srinivas. These people then do become our strength and do better for our society and country altogether. We always need to keep this in mind and shall follow this ahead in life. There are various people you could see who are very much disillusioned in their life, destroyed and truly frustrated. Here you have to come up as a hope for them, come good in life. You need to stand for them after achieving your own goals in life. That would give right direction to our life, Srinivas, and that is what is expected from the well dedicated people like us to help others, help needy, help deserving, to show them their deserving path, to make their life happy again. It all takes vision, Srinivas, only vision. Yes, sir, I will always keep this in mind, sir. True lessons of life. I am the prime example of what it can be when you get on the right track, even if you have a dark past of your own. After all, our own choices in life derives our own journey ahead in life. I have learned that thing in big way, sir, and this learning would remain with me throughout my life to guide me everywhere. I was blessed to have a wonderful legend like you as a mentor in life that showed me the right path ahead. Otherwise, I would have been another dirt of society, making all destruction and negativity for our own people itself. Look, Srinivas, as you said it rightly, whoever you are, from various backgrounds or history, may be tainted one. No wonder but your own choices in life derives the actual path for you to reach wherever you are in life. No one chooses wrong path in life of their own. It is the wrong situation which makes that decision wrong, and with opposite wind it comes all wrong for that individual. And once the destiny throws you in the dirt of society, then you yourself decide to become bad of your own, and then no one can stop you from getting bad element in social life. Not others, nor even you. Always remember this, Srinivas. Your own choices would always derive your future. And I guess you have succeeded in making one good choice itself. The only thing what remains now is to maintain this dedication throughout, to become one finest individual for your people. Rest I'm mighty sure that you would make it big on your own. You have your inbuilt capacities in you to take you ahead in life in any situation, that too on your own. Hmm, right, sir. Sir, I wanted to ask one thing to you. Yes, Srinivas, please go ahead. How can I help you in it? Sir, can you tell me something about my father, other than what I know about him, so that it could become a learning curve for me, sir? I don't want to know about my father's one wrong side, but I do wanted to know about his neutral side, sir. Well, Srinivas, what I can tell you about him? There are limitations to tell everything over phone. But I can tell you, Srinivas, there are two types of criminals. First, who become criminal by situation and not by choice. And second are those who become criminal by choice and went on to create large organized crime syndicates for themselves. There is one other thing also. Though both the things are different, but somewhere you can say both things do start with hostile situations or fate. And it is one way traffic altogether. कुछ लोग इसमें फंस जाते हैं और मजबूरी में उन्हें इसमें आगे बढ़ना पड़ता है, जबकि अदर कैटेगरी में लोग शुरुआत में फंसते हैं लेकिन आगे जाकर इसे एक पेशा बना लेते हैं ज़िंदगी जीने का, और जहां ज़रूरत भी नहीं होती वहां भी वो क्राइम को अंजाम दे देते हैं। बात अगर तुम्हारे पिता की होती है श्रीनिवास, तो जितना मैंने उनकी दर्द भरी कहानी जानी है उस हिसाब से तुम्हारे पिता पहली कैटेगरी में आते हैं, जो गलत हालात और किस्मत की वजह से इस दलदल में आए और अब बाहर नहीं जा सकते थे, इसलिए मजबूरन उन्हें वहीं ठहरना पड़ा और वक्त के साथ वो क्राइम की दुनिया का शिकार बन गए। मेरी कई बार उनसे मुलाकात हुई थी, लेकिन हर बार उनकी बातों से यही जाहिर हुआ कि वो उस जुर्म की दुनिया में आकर खुश नहीं थे। उन्होंने ये सब छोड़ना भी चाहा, लेकिन उस दुनिया में वापसी का कोई रास्ता नहीं होता है श्रीनिवास। एंड ही गॉट ट्रैप्ड इन इट इवेंचुअली। I did help him though to come out of it, but his own people of crime world took his life in the end. That is what I can tell you about him, Srinivas. Hope you can understand his situation with your own mindset. There are lots of things in life which happen with no other possible logic. It is far more different than it, Srinivas. Hope you can understand it in right ways.